This is the definitive video to resolve Vivo X300 Ultra network issues. Having personally encountered persistent connectivity problems and explored numerous solutions, I've consolidated the most effective methods, and I'm ready to share them with you right now. First, we address network settings. Often the phone isn't configured correctly for 5G SA. Verifying 5G SA compatibility and enabling the correct network mode ensures your device actively seeks the advanced Airtel network. Resetting network settings clears corrupted configurations, giving your phone a clean slate to re-establish its link. Next, we examine the physical connection and data pathways. Reinserting your SIM card properly ensures secure physical contact, crucial for network communication. Incorrect or corrupted APN settings are a frequent culprit. Resetting or manually configuring them provides the precise data path details required for Airtel's 5G SA infrastructure. Thirdly, software integrity is vital. Clearing the network cache eliminates temporary, corrupt data interfering with connectivity. Updating your Vivo OS and checking for carrier-specific updates applies critical patches, resolving underlying software bugs or compatibility issues that might block 5G SA access. For deep software conflicts, a factory reset can restore the phone to its optimal state. Finally, environmental factors are key. Moving to an area with better signal reception or checking Airtel's 5G coverage map directly addresses service zone presence. Physical obstructions or weak signal strength degrade 5G performance, so optimizing your location is an immediate fix. These combined approaches systematically tackle both internal device configurations and external network conditions, ensuring stable Airtel 5G SA connectivity.